Houstonians are mostly known to come here to Daikin Park for one reason, and that's baseball, but not this weekend. We're talking about exquisite cars. It's the All-Star Car Show. It's the first of its kind, and it's the first time to ever happen in an MLB stadium, and we're doing it tomorrow right here at Daikin Park. Abe, I'm going to start with you with Coffee and Cars. How did this brainchild of an event come about?
Well, Coffee and Cars has been around for 21 years, and we put on the biggest festivals and events regularly, monthly, and annually. And we said, what would be more Houston than doing something with the Astros at Daikin Park?
Absolutely. And we're not just talking about the McLaren, the Porsche, the Ferrari. You've got the H-Town side represented, too. So when you're talking about lowriders and slabs, from every corner of this stadium, you've got something.
We do. Yeah, our goal was to make sure that this is a representative show for all of Houston culture, from lowriders to Japanese cars to American muscles to hypercars.
Okay, we're taking a look at it right now. You were just giving me a little bit of details on some of the vehicles that are inside the stadium right now. This red one is a little bit of a price tag right here. It's a one of a one.
That's right. This was Horatio Pagani's personal car. It's a manual. It was the Geneva Motor Show Zonda F, and it's here in Houston. But
the price tag was, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
It's a little north of $20 million.
A little bit north. Just a cool $20 million. But what about the yellow one behind it? That's also a unique one.
So that is the first Pagani Utopia in America, and it happens to be here in Houston. So we're going to be unveiling these cars tomorrow.
Okay, and so when people come, Rachel, I want to talk to you about this. It's happening here at Daikin Park. So what's the load-in process like when guests arrive?
Well, guests can come. General public opens here at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and we go from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We still have tickets available for general admission. You can go to astros.com/carshow and purchase tickets. You can see all the cars in our outside lots on Crawford and Apache Grove. You can see all the cars on the concourse, and then you can still have a great view of the cars on the field.
I'm not kidding you guys. When I walked in, we parked in lot A, and there was literally cars on every corner of the entire stadium circling it the entire way around. But Abe, I also want to mention this. We saw this beautiful trophy, diamond encrusted over here, and you're going to tell us about that, right? That's coming up in just a bit.
Absolutely. Can't wait. This is a one-of-one thing as well.
This is real diamonds, a familiar name behind it, and this is going to be presented at the show, correct?
It is. It's going to be the kickstart of the ceremony at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay, 9 o'clock tomorrow. And, I'm sorry, the event goes until what time?
It's going to go till 5 tomorrow.
Okay, so you got plenty of time if you are a car lover, a car enthusiast. Maybe your kids love to play with cars. This is a great way for them to come and look at some of them. They can set the bar pretty high and be like, I want one of those that day. So do you have a favorite? Do you have a favorite?
I absolutely do. I'm a diehard Porsche guy, but that little green one over there has my heart.
The little green one. Okay, I'm going to stay far away from that. No dings coming up my way. Mel and Tessa, I'm going to toss it back to you guys in Studio B for now. But how magnificent does the park look today?
Okay, it looks pristine. Me and Mel were hypnotized by that trophy just for a second. You know, diamonds sometimes are a girl's best friend, but Houston is such a huge car city. We will check back with you soon, Lauren Kelly.
This is exciting, Houstonians, because you can come out here, Daikin Park, tomorrow, Saturday, for the All-Stars Car Show. This is a first of its kind. Abe, this is so awesome because I have never, in all of my times visiting Daikin Park, have ever thought that there were going to be this many exclusive and beautiful vehicles, like lining the bases inside the baseball fields.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
We're going to have almost 400 cars here on property tomorrow. We've been loading them all day. We're still loading them in right now. All these cars need special care, but we've been singly positioning them so this feels like a nice curated event. Tomorrow you're going to find a whole variety of different things, everything from lowriders to hypercars.
Yeah.
We're very excited about it. We hope everyone in Houston can come appreciate car culture in Houston.
Two things, though, I want to point out. These cars did not drive the Houston roads to make it here, correct? We saw Ferris Bueller's Day Off. We know how cars can be transferred, but these are so exquisite. Like, how many, they're very low on mileage, right? Because they're not driven that much.
You're right. A lot of these these are mainly kept away inside collections, and then some of them do drive. I mean, some collectors do drive these cars.
That's amazing. But you've been such a car fan for so many years. I heard you tell a story about when you were 8 years old, there was a car that you were dying to get to know, and all of a sudden the car pulls in. Which one was it?
It's the Ferrari F40. It's right over there. It's one of my favorite cars in the whole world.
I mean, they started the engine, and you knew, listening to the way that the engine sounded, exactly what car was going to pull in.
It's my favorite car in the whole world.
It's amazing. Okay, tomorrow the hours of the show are what?
So for the public, it's 10 to 5.
Okay.
And we have things going on throughout the whole day.
Yeah.
Multiple unveilings going on throughout the day. You're going to hear it because we're going to chime a nice little sound on the screen. But we have beautiful cars being unveiled all around the property, on concourse, on field, in diamond lots, in Apache, everywhere. All throughout the day, almost in every 30-minute increments. So there's something for people to come see, be part of the experience. We're making history here. It's amazing.
And grab the kiddos, because there's going to be food trucks out here. There's going to be live entertainment. I know you guys have a live DJ for some music, so it's very interactive, and it's open for all ages.
Yeah, you know, this is a partnership with the stadium and the Astros in Daikin Park. We're going to have concessions open, so you'll be able to get that favorite pretzel and hot dog. And there's going to be just things going on everywhere.
Okay,
There's not
I'm
going to be
sold.
boring spots.
I'm sold with the pretzel and the hot dog, but I'm also sold because there's something beautiful and sparkly here. Daniel Dang, we have to talk about this massive, diamond-encrusted, completely beautiful trophy. Tell us a little bit about this.
Yes, we planted this trophy about a year ago.
It took
right?
you a year.
It took years, and this is the third time in order to finish completely satisfied, right?
How many diamonds are on this trophy?
We didn't have enough time to finish everything, but right now, as is, close to 8,500. Our plan is to have around 30,000 diamond all total. That's including the base.
And the base as well. I know the star and the colors are all significant. So who's going to be receiving this tomorrow?
Well, this is for the, what is the...
It's for the show. It's for the Allstars car show.
All-Star car show, and it's represent achievement, right? For especially for the everybody that owns this car, they all achieve something big in their life.
Okay, and you're also going to have some other exquisite things out here just for some of the VIPs to look at. We were talking about how many carats of diamonds?
A lot of stones tomorrow.
A lot of carats of diamonds.
Correct. We have some big piece tomorrow, something very important, like color diamond and diamond that is 20, 30 carat.
Okay, I'm going to give you my husband's phone number. I want an upgrade.
Right, we have 20 carat available.
20 carats
yeah,
for
very
sure.
conservative, and
Yeah,
good.
And I'm also going to come back to you, Abe. I want an upgrade on my vehicle. Can you tell my husband to get me one of those too?
Absolutely. It goes really well with a nice pair of Daniel cufflinks.
Yes, absolutely. Well, if you guys want tickets, astros.com/car show is where you can go. HoustonLife.tv. I'm going to put a link up there. But this is so incredible. Thank you for sharing all of these wonderful vehicles with everybody. And it's going to be a great day tomorrow, Abe. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Tessa, I'm going to go pick which vehicle I want to take home. Tossing it back to you in Studio B for now.
Find me one, and we'll drive away in style.
Okay.
I like that. Yes, it's always a fun day at a ballpark. But cars at the ballpark, oh my gosh.
Yes.
Double trouble, double trifecta. Double trifecta? What am I talking about? Okay.